everyone. I'm Koala Teacher from One English Academy, here to help with your homework. It's going to be fun. You'll see. If we go too fast, don't worry. Just hit pause. Take your time and catch up. It's all because if you hold on tight, we'll learn and grow. With every step, the more you'll know. Are you ready? Let's go! Today, we'll be reviewing Unit 6, Food, my favorite. In this unit, we learned how to say, How old are you? 너는 몇 살이야? And we also learned how to give our answer. I'm 6. 나는 6살이야. We learned 2 new action words, make a line and make a circle. We learned the names of different food like ice cream, pizza, cake, and chicken. We learned how to say, 나는 치킨 좋아해. I like chicken. We also learned how to say, I don't like chicken. 나는 치킨 안 좋아해. When we want to know if someone likes something, we say, do you like For example, do you like fish? If you do, you say, yes, I do. But if you don't, you say, no, I don't. Are you ready to get started? Let's go! On page 46, the directions say to draw. Oh, Andy asks, how old are you? 너는 몇 살이야? In number 1, Jenny says, I'm 6. If you follow the line here, we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. 촛불 6개 볼 수 있죠? In number 2, the boy says, I'm 8. We'll follow the line, go to the cake. We need to draw 8 candles. Ready? Great job. In number 3, the boy says, I'm 5. Let's follow the line. We're going to draw 5 candles right here on this cake. Great job. In number 4, the girl says, I'm 10. So we'll follow the line up to this cake here. 10 candles. Are you ready? Great job! Let's keep going to the next page. On page 47, the directions say, how old are you? Draw and color. Like we did on page 46, we are going to draw ourselves, a picture of us, with our hands, and also the candles. Ready? I'm 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'll draw 7 candles. Your turn. Draw a picture of you and how old you are and how many candles. In part C, we need to write a check or an X. For number 1, when we see a picture of make a line, we will draw a check. But if it's not make a line, we'll draw an X. For example, in the first picture, the kids are boing, 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 jumping. Make a line 아니라서 we'll draw an X. In the second picture, the children are making a line, so we'll draw a check. And in our last picture, they are not in a line, so we'll draw an X. In number 2, we need to draw a check for all the pictures of make a circle. Make a circle 아닐 때는 we'll draw an X. In our first picture, what are they doing? make a circle 안 하고 있는데 they need to hold hands and make a circle, so we'll draw an X. In our second picture, they're holding hands and making a circle, so we'll draw a check. In our last picture, they're spinning, so we will draw an X. Great job! Check your answers and I'll see you on the next page. On page 48, the directions say to match. In number 1, we need to match all the pictures of ice cream. So we'll follow this line here, ice cream and ice cream. For numbers 2, 3, and 4, I'd like you to do it by yourself and we'll check your answers. Ready? For number 2, we'll have a line here and a line here. Pizza. For number 3, we'll have a line here and here for cake. For number 4, my favorite, we'll have a line here and here for chicken. Yum! Check your answers and let's keep going. On page 49, the directions say to write and number. We're going to write what each person likes. Then we'll write the number down on the picture below. Ready? In number 1, it says, I like ice cream. Oh, can you find the picture of ice cream? Right here. So we'll draw the number 1. In number 2, what does this boy like? He says, I like chicken. Let's write. Great. Now let's find the picture of chicken. Right here. Let's write the number 2. And in number 3, what does the girl like? She says, I like pizza. Great. Can you find the picture of pizza? Right here. We'll draw the number 3. And finally, number 4. What does this girl like? I like cake. And cake is right here. Great job. Please check your spelling and I'll see you on the next page. On page 50, the directions say to circle. We're going to look at the pictures on the left side, milk, rice, bread, and fish. And on the right side, we'll look for those pictures and circle them. For example, in number 1, we are looking for milk. Apple, milk, bread. Milk. So we'll circle milk. In number 2, we're looking for rice. Cake, egg, rice. So we'll circle rice. In number 3, we're looking for bread. Ice cream, milk, bread. And number 4, we're looking for fish. Fish! 바로 나왔네. Check your answers and let's go to the next page. 너무 잘하고 있어요. For page 51, we are going to match and say. Are you ready? 선생님이 말하고 나서 please say it too. In number 1, this girl says, do you like rice? Do you like rice? 오, 잘했어요. If we follow this line, this girl says, yes, I do. Yes, I do. In number 2, do you like fish? Do you like fish? No, I don't. No, I don't. Great job. In number 3, do you like milk? Do you like milk? No, I don't. No, I don't. Nice. And our last one, do you like bread? Do you like bread? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Great. Let's go to the next page. On page 52, I would like you to do it by yourself. We need to write a check or an X. For example, in number 1, QRST 다 대문자로 되어 있죠? These are all capital letters. When we find QRST, we'll write a check. QRST 대문자 아닐 때는 X 쓰면 돼요. For example, FGHI. QRST 대문자 아니라서 X. QRST. 그리고 다 대문자야. Check. Next, OPQR. 아니니까 X. Numbers 2 and 3, I'd like you to do it by yourself. 화이팅! In part B, you need to match and trace. For example, in number 1, we have the capital letter Q. We will match it to the word that starts with a qu, queen. Great. For numbers 2, 3, and 4, 똑같이 하면 돼요. Let's keep going. On page 53, the directions say to write and say. 이번에도 똑같이 선생님이 먼저 말하고 따라하면 돼요. 알겠죠? Number 1. Do you like cake? Do you like cake? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. No, I don't. No, I don't. In number 2, do you like pizza? Do you like pizza? 여기 yes가 나오니까 yes, I do. Let's write. Great. In number 3, do you like fish? Do you like fish? no가 나왔으니까 no, I don't. No, I don't. Great. Let's write. And our last number, number 4. Do you like 이게 뭐죠? Milk. Do you like milk? Do you like milk? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Let's write. Fantastic job! Let's go to the next page. On page 54, the directions say to match. You will do this page by yourself. 혼자 할 수 있죠? What you need to do is match the picture, the top part of the picture, with the bottom part of the picture. For example, in number 1, we see a rabbit here and the rabbit's foot here. We'll write 1 rabbit. In number 2, we see a picture of a cat on a chair. 그럼 여기로 연결할 거죠? And we'll write how many cats? 4 cats. 이런 식으로 하면 돼요. You can do it. Let's go to our last page. On page 55, the directions say match and trace. We will talk about the weather. We have sunny weather, cloudy, windy, rainy, and snowy. We need to match it to the pictures down here. For example, in number 1, we have sunny weather. We'll match it to the picture of it's sunny. In number 2, cloudy. It's rainy, it's cloudy. Right here, it's cloudy. Number 3, windy. Right here. And it's rainy. 마지막, last, it's snowy. Great job today. We're all done. You did an awesome job today. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the great work. You know what to do. I hope you'll miss me and be ready to play. Koala Teacher will see you in the next video. Okay? Bye!